The current project is the most interesting and there's so much at stake.
This is also the first time that Oord has built a template specifically to drill holes into the soil and to install pin piles where jackets will be placed on pole.
It is the teamwork that makes such a project work, because it is too big for anyone to do on their own.
Within the company itself, if you go to the offices, everybody's willing, everybody's open. Everybody has the mindset to do everything as safe as possible, but also as quickly as possible.
What I experience unique at Oord is the willingness to help out, so also between the departments, the care for the people. And I think that's what everyone feels, yeah.
We are so isolated at sea on a platform. If there was a situation at home from a colleague, doesn't matter if it was a rigger or superintendent, we made sure that he got home as quickly as possible.
If you like that tomorrow will be different from today, then I think that is definitely a good chance of matching.
It's a very diverse job. Within the wind, within Oord, you can go a lot of ways.
Everybody goes home at the end of the project with a smile, proud of being part of, and that is so good to see. That's the most rewarding thing